Hello everyone. Today we are going to know about very brilliant, successful, dynamic and humble personality. He was born on 28th Feb 1977 in a middle class family of Kathal district, Haryana. He was very promising since childhood and also had an interest in sports. In childhood, when he used to go to hospital with his grandparents for their treatment, he observed that there were long queues of patients. He felt their sufferings, which in his conscience raised many questions, such as the lack of hospitals and doctors in India. He made his aim that he would work hard and will make himself a successful doctor, and he will spend his life in giving better health with easiness to people. But being from a middle class family, he faced many difficulties. Sometimes lack of money, sometimes lack of resources, sometimes people taunted that doctors are made in rich families only. Because of such things, lot of challenges came in his life, but all the difficulties faded before his passion to become a doctor. The journey from Kathal to Chandigarh started, where he studied hard and qualified the AIPMT exam. Then he started the journey from Chandigarh to Chhattisgarh. Here, he started his MBBS studies. After hard work and dedication, he achieved the tag of MBBS doctor. But he wanted to become an eye specialist, for which he needed to study more, needed to work hard. Lack of money, lack of resources. This time, the problem was much bigger. But again, ahead of passion, paucity lost. His hard work and on the strength of confidence, he passed the AIPG exam and completed his MS degree and became a skilled eye specialist. In 2007, he started with a small clinic with his friend Dr. Vinay Jaiswalji. After that, together they built Sri Ganesh Vinayak Eye Hospital, the largest in Chhattisgarh. With a dedication to work and a sense of health to the people, he also made a tremendous record, that is, highest number of cataract surgery performed in 2013-14 of individual capacity in Chhattisgarh. Gradually, his efforts started paying off, and 4 more branches of Sri Ganesh Vinayak Eye Hospital started in Ambikapur, Korba, Chapa and Dhamtari. Sri Ganesh Vinayak Eye Hospital also got the honor of the first NABS certified hospital in Chhattisgarh. In the research of 10 to 15 years of his medical career, he found that the 21st century has become the century of SAD syndrome. It means the century of stress, anxiety, depression and diseases, and root causes are hurry, worry and curry. He observed 85% of people have psychosomatic or lifestyle related diseases, and for the treatment, other sciences will also have to be integrated with medical science. To understand these sciences, he completed his PhD in Vedic Science and Psychoneurobics from YSM University, Florida, USA. After having a thorough knowledge of medical science, Vedic science and psychoneurobics, he created a unique concept and established Positive Health Zone in 2017. Positive Health Zone is proving very useful in fighting the biggest problem of the 21st century, that is SAD syndrome. Its aim is to provide better health to common people, mental health to a common family, and to take people towards a complete health by creating harmony between mind, brain, body and soul, so that the lives of people of all classes, all ages can be happy and the whole family will get health and happiness. This story of ordinary to extraordinary, person to personality is of famous consultant eye surgeon of Chhattisgarh, director of Sri Ganesh Vinayak Eye Hospital, the founder, director Positive Health Zone, Dr. Anil Kumar Gupta. Due to Dr. Anil's incomparable hard work and dedication, he was awarded many honors, such as Chhattisgarh Gaurav Award by Honorable Chief Minister Mr. Bhupesh Baghel ji, Unique Business Practices Award by Honorable former Chief Minister Mr. Raman Singh ji, 7th Global Healthcare Excellence Award by Honorable Mr. Ashwin Kumar Chaubey ji. Today, his profiles say a lot about him. Dr. Anil completed MBBS and MS Faco Fellow Shankara Nethralaya Chennai, and now he is a consulting eye surgeon. Completed PhD in Vedic Science and Psychoneurobics, and now he is a holistic healthcare consultant. He is NLP and PNP master trainer. He has introduced unique concept of MBBS integration. MBBS means mind, brain, body and soul. He is an entrepreneur and social welfare influencer. He has presented various paper and research material in national and international conferences, clinical hypnotherapy and integrated medicine. He is a Guinness Book World Record holder in longest marathon speech by the team of two, under the campaign of My Health, My Responsibility, My Life, My Responsibility, My Society, My Responsibility. He is associated with many spiritual and holistic health tradition in India like Shiva Yoga, Brahma Kumari, Art of Living, Sikfa and many more. Dr. Anil, with his dynamic and versatile personality, is also an active member of Business Network International and a Smart Entrepreneur Group, and spent his time efficiently between his medical profession as an eye surgeon and also as a doctor of holistic health approach through Positive Health Zone. Let's have a glance on mission, values and vision of Dr. Anil. Mission of Dr. Anil is to uplift and transform society by creating health and happiness in every aspect of life. Values of Dr. Anil and his team: unity and teamwork, passion and commitment, challenging status quo, big ideas with out-of-the-box approach, do different things and do things differently. The Anil's finest dream is to make the first completely integrated healthcare city where people will find the unique integrative approach of modern medical system with ancient ethics system, Western science with Eastern science, physical science with metaphysical sciences, treatment sciences with healing and cure sciences, with overall goal of 7-dimensional development and many more. Dr. Anil is the true inspiration for youth and society. He is a pure soul and a great life symbol of humanity. Thank you.